Unlocking the power of grapefruit seed extract. 10 key health benefits. Today, we're uncovering the health benefits of grapefruit seed extract, GSE. Packed with antimicrobial properties, antioxidants, and immune-boosting compounds, GSE supports overall health and vitality. Incorporating GSE into our daily routine promotes immunity, digestive health, and skin wellness. Let's embrace nature's remedy for optimal well-being. Number 1. Antimicrobial properties. GSE has potent antimicrobial effects, combating bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Number 2. Immune support. It boosts immune function, enhancing the body's natural defenses against infections. Number 3. Digestive health. GSE aids digestion by promoting beneficial gut bacteria and alleviating digestive issues. Number 4. Antioxidant protection. It neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting cell health. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. GSE reduces inflammation, relieving pain, and supporting overall wellness. Number 6. Skin health. GSE can treat acne, eczema, and fungal infections, promoting clear and healthy skin. Number 7. Oral hygiene. GSE kills oral bacteria, freshening breath and preventing dental problems. Number 8. Weight management. It boosts metabolism and reduces appetite, aiding in weight loss. Number 9. Heart health. GSE lowers cholesterol and improves circulation, supporting cardiovascular wellness. Number 10. Mental well-being. GSE improves mood, reduces stress, and enhances cognitive function, promoting mental health. Incorporating grapefruit seed extract into your daily routine can provide a wide range of health benefits, supporting overall well-being and vitality. Whether consumed as a supplement, added to drinks or smoothies, or used topically, GSE is a versatile and natural remedy with numerous uses and benefits. So why wait? Start harnessing the power of grapefruit seed extract today and experience the transformative effects on your health and lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of holistic health and wellness. Until next time, subscribe for more videos from Mrs. P's Remedy Revolution.